Mary, look. It's the new Alien movie.
Wow.
Who cares? There's no such thing as aliens. Wow. Those are some super technologies. Impressive.
Mary, they definitely exist. Trust me.
Enough for the fairy tales.
What?
No way.
Nikki, look! There!
Wow! What are these aliens doing? What if they take over the world? Please don't eat us, okay?
I told you, Mary. The world is over. What do we do?
Don't panic. Mary has a plan ready. We're going to build a capsule bed. No alien will get in.
That's a cool idea, sis. Let's get started.
Any construction begins with taking measurements. Soon, the bed will become a secret shelter. There's not much room. We'll fix it. That's better. Very spacious. But the frame still needs to be reinforced. We can't do without boards here. Attach them to the bed using ties. Easy peasy. Where are you, Nikki?
Hey.
Did you fall asleep?
Mary, I'm here. Take this.
And there's plywood on the sides for strength. Even a child could do it, but that's not all. This bed needs a ceiling. Give it to me, Nikki. Easy, sis. And now, the most important thing, the roof.
Oh, don't drop it. Done.
It looks solid. No aliens allowed in here. And let's make the capsule bed be beautiful. Let's start decorating. Nikki knows what to do. Lots of metallic glitter. Looks classy and technological.
Mary, what are you up to?
Wow. And the second floor will have a science design. The walls with the formulas are very original. But what about the ceiling? Tinfoil, that's what we need. That's a solid defense. Now try to read my mind, aliens. Nikki isn't just sitting around either. The first floor is getting brighter and brighter.
Mary, I need your help. My ceiling will glow. Help me.
Okay. And the garland is already in place. There's a sky on the ceiling. Now there's just a little detail left. Let's disguise everything with colored tulle. But the artificial sky looks boring. Yeah, I have an idea. We should add planets. These foam balls will come in handy. Cut them in half and start to create. Let's paint one hemisphere. We'll take the blue and the green paint. This will be the Earth, and it looks like we need Mars too. So we'll use more red. Very realistic. The planets are ready. Let's put them in place. Gluing them straight to the ceiling. Wow! Just a stone's throw away from outer space. And let there be more lights. These garlands will make the interior more cheerful. Get out of the way! Mary is having yet another construction project. The walls should be as strong as possible. This is all suspicious. It's time to see what's going on. What are you up to, sis? Yep, Mary has already made a shelf. Nikki can do that too. Did you see that, Mary? You can't scare me, Nikki. These shelves will fit Mary's entire lab. Great! The building materials are in place. We can begin. The shelves will be here. But they still need to be decorated. Let's draw the contours with a blue marker. And now, let's add the backlighting. Yay! How beautiful! But it will be even better with these doors. Scientific imagination reigns on the second floor. Don't even try to get in here, aliens. Only Mary can open the secret laboratory. The capsule bed is just glowing.
Wow.
Nikki, will you stop playing with the light? Hey, that's an idea. Let the second floor have light too. That's it! Now you can read even at night. Nikki doesn't get bored either. That's right! Even toys can be used for design. Rainbow accents are always nice. You have to move all your stuff into the space shelter so the aliens don't steal them. But Nikki has so many outfits. What to do? It's a disaster. No shelf can withstand this, but there's always a solution. We put everything of value in bags, and we can vacuum them up. What a space saver. Mission accomplished. Nikki will be beautiful even in the shelter. Space is great, but you can't go anywhere without a friend. Oh, he's so cute! A little space magic and the pet is already in place. Come here, buddy. We'll have fun here, I promise. Right, a dog. Nikki's idea was great. Mary wants a furry friend too, but she has a different approach. You can make a pet with your own hands, wires, and a pinch of love. I did it! The faithful dog's ready to serve its mistress, and it is so obedient. Well done, my friend. Mary, come and visit us. Oh, I'd love to, sis. On my way. These babies are gonna be the best of friends. Now they won't get bored in the shelter. They're so sweet, aren't they? Oof, it's getting hot in here, but Mary has thought of everything. The second floor is fully climate controlled. It's time to turn on the AC. And Mary keeps her science secrets in a secret safe. It only obeys its owner. Okay, let's see. The plants are feeling pretty good. The experiment is going according to plan. And how are the chemicals doing? Yep, almost ready. Everything's under control. Continuing relaxation. Nikki's got other problems. She has to be beautiful, but the shelter is so uncomfortable. Everything is falling apart. I'm sick of it. Time to do something. We're gonna need a metal tray and a couple of magnets. We glue all the beauty things to the magnets, and the mirror will also be on the tray. It looks good. Now everything is at your fingertips. Here comes the cosmic beauty. Now you can put makeup on even in zero gravity. What about the food supply? Can't do without it. The space cook gets to work. Here comes the nano pizza. It looks delicious. And now we pack the goodies. Science will solve any problem. The tubes are in place. Lunch is up next. Who wants space sushi? Delicious! Sis, I want some too! Nikki, you're having pepperoni for lunch? Enjoy it! Thanks, sis! Okay, let's taste it. That's awful! It tastes like paper. That won't do. You need real food. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. Hello, I'll have the biggest pizza. Wow, this delivery is lightning fast. Thank you! Nikki, did you see that? Come on, it's no big deal. The important thing is that the pizza is hot. On the second floor, the work is in full swing. Mary still has so many ideas. I just wish I could nail this tripod. Nikki, on the other hand, doesn't mind sleeping. Mary, how many times? Don't distract me, Nikki. This is too much. Mary is the worst roommate in the secret room. Let's teach her a lesson. Turn on the karaoke and make it loud. What's that grinding noise? Stop! Stop! Ugh, this is a forbidden weapon. I won't do it again. That's the way to go, sis. The capsule bed is ready. It looks amazing. Mary, we need a door. You never know what to expect from them. There's a good one. Pull, Mary. All that's left to do is screw on the front wall and to climb to the second floor. It wouldn't hurt to have a ladder. Ready, Nikki? Then let's get started. The capsule bed won't just be beautiful on the inside, but also on the outside. Duct tape microchips will do the trick. I'll be right there, Nikki. Here you go. This will protect us from aliens. Trust me. Will do, Mary. Now that's it. We go to our floors and get some sleep. Oh, I almost forgot the ladder. Good night, Mary. Wow. Sweet dreams, Nikki. But you can't sleep without selfies. The first floor has the best photo area, and Mary doesn't mind a snack. You can't sleep on an empty stomach. Everybody hide. We have uninvited guests. This alien wants to meet the Earthlings. But it looks like there's no one in the room. Knock, knock. Who's home? How suspicious. It's not nice to visit so late. Oh, how scary. That's right. An alien! They're everywhere now.